Hi, I'm Barbara Friedberg, owner of Robo Advisor Pros, and a former portfolio manager and university investments instructor. Today, we're going to talk about the 5 best robo advisors for beginning investors. You want to start investing. You understand it's important to convert some of your earnings today into wealth that you can spend tomorrow, but you don't know where to begin or how. That's where a robo advisor can really help you out. A robo advisor is a fancy name for a digital or automated investment manager. You transfer money into the robo advisory account, and then they create a diversified investment portfolio for you and they manage it for you. And how do they know how to do that or what to do? Well, you tell them what are your goals, how much risk can you tolerate, and when do you expect to need the money and for what? And using that information, they will create a mix of stocks, bonds, cash, and maybe even some other investments like real estate into that portfolio. And they keep it aligned for you for either a low fee or for a minimal fee. Here are 5 robo advisors that are great for beginners to get started. M1 Finance is one of my favorites because it has pre-made investment portfolios that you can pick and choose. And if you also want to try your hand in investing in stocks and ETFs, you can do that as well. So some of the pre-made portfolios are simply stock and bond mix portfolios. You can choose a mix of assets from a hedge fund type portfolio. They even offer crypto for you today. M1 is very low minimum. All you need is $100 to begin, and the management fee is free. You can get updated services for a $125 per year M1 Plus subscription. Some of the other M1 Finance choices include socially responsible portfolios, dividend portfolios, retirement fund portfolios. So if you want a robo advisor that has a low minimum, no fees, access to stocks, ETFs, and customized pre-made investment portfolios that are managed for you, take a look at M1. Next on our list is SoFi Automated Investing Robo Advisor. You all probably have heard of SoFi as the popular lender, do a lot of consolidation of student loans, etc. But they've also branched out into many investing services, including active investing. But among those services is their robo-advisor or automated investing. This is great for investors who want access to financial consultants. You can make a half-hour appointment with a financial consultant to talk about some of your money concerns. The minimum is only $1, and they do not charge minimum management fees. Their risk-adjusted portfolios are diverse, and they include global stocks, government and high-yield bonds, a real estate fund, and you can also get crypto at SoFi as well. Our third choice is Betterment. That's best for those of you who want certified financial planner access as well as managed portfolios. Betterment is one of the oldest robo-advisors, and they offer their digital plan, which has digital investment management, no minimum fee. You'll need $10 to begin investing. And if you want help from a certified financial planner, you can pay $299 to $399 for their a la carte financial planning packages. Those packages can help you with college funding, an investment checkup or review, or many of your other financial questions. Now, if you're a wealthier investor and you have $100,000 to invest and you want unlimited access to certified financial planner advice, then you'll want to sign up for the premium plan. That costs 0.40% of your assets managed as their fee, in contrast with the digital plan, which costs $250 a month. Scratch that. The digital plan costs $4 a month for those who have less than $20,000 invested. For those who have more than $25,000 invested or agree to $250 per month automatic deposit into the account, then you'll pay 0.25% of your assets managed. They have widely diversified portfolios, including socially responsible investing, smart beta, which is a portfolio that attempts to beat the markets. Our third and another one of the robo-advisors that I really like, our fourth is Wealthfront. Wealthfront is best for you if you're very comfortable with an all-digital platform. It's great for those who are also seeking either smart beta portfolios, want low-fee borrowing access, cash management, and also Wealthfront, similar to M1 Finance, you can invest in additional ETFs. Now, the minimum investment at Wealthfront is $500. Their fee is a straight 0.25% of your account value. But we do have a free cash management, free cash promo for you. If you use this link, you will get a cashback when you sign up. Their investment portfolios are extremely well diversified, include real estate, energy, stocks, bonds, and it is one of the only robo-advisors that I'm aware of that offers a 529 college savings plan. So that's great if you want to start investing early for your children's college expenses. Now, Wealthfront doesn't advertise financial advisors, but all of their customer service representatives are licensed financial professionals. That means they have a pretty good knowledge of basic investing and are very well skilled to answer a wide range of investment questions. And before leaving Wealthfront, I have to tell you about their Path Digital Financial Advisor. It's all digital, but it is programmed to answer 10,000 finance, money, investing related questions, and it's really good. I would say it's a close second to a human financial advisor. Our fifth choice is SigFig. That is great for those of you who don't want to transfer your funds into another platform because SigFig will manage your investments at your existing Schwab, Fidelity, and of course TD Ameritrade, which will soon be totally merged with Schwab accounts. So all you do in that case is you designate SigFig as the manager, and then they will create your robo, with your permission, of course, your robo-advisory diversified investment portfolio and manage it. Now, they have some very nice free investment management tools that anyone can use, and it doesn't require any sort of financial commitment. You just link up your bank accounts and they can give you an overview of your existing portfolio. Then, if you want to hire them to manage your portfolio, you'll need $2,000 for financial management, and you get the first $10,000 managed for free. After that, you'll pay 0.25% of assets under management. And they offer a wide range of diversified investments, stock funds, bond funds, and also they also offer access to a financial consultant that you could call for investment and platform related advice. So that's the 5 robo-advisors that we recommend for beginners. Now, if you're interested in any of these, I'll have links below. And I would appreciate it if you click on those links because many of them are affiliate links, which means our company gets a small commission if you do sign up for the robo-advisor. Thanks for showing up. I will see you next time. Bye.